might not be the best solution for what we're building today. If it isn't, we will know that because of how successful the project is and all of the pain points we are hitting, as well as how smart the models have gotten. If it turns out that we picked wrong, we will be able to rewrite our core primitives using these new tools to get it right later on. Thank you, Whisperflow. Boris's goal was to move fast in a way where they could understand the way the code base works, that anyone could come join in and make meaningful contributions, that an AI agent can do that as well, without one change in one component breaking something else somewhere else. React's model made that really doable, and they chose to go with React and Ink, not because it was the best and most performant solution, but because it led them to where they wanted to be the best way. And if it turned out it was wrong, they could rewrite the parts that make it slow. And that's what they ended up doing. They're no longer using traditional Ink. They're doing some crazy forking, and it's my understanding that there are native parts of their fork now too, which is really, really cool. But they still have to deal with the hell that is the size of the buffer that they're handing around. And one of the problems that gets hit a lot is that buffer of text is getting so big that garbage collection has to happen a lot more. And when garbage collection happens, they miss a frame. But I'm pretty certain that Boris's philosophy going into this, and I could be entirely wrong, and I'm sure lots of people on the Claude Code team will let me know if I am. My honest guess is that he went in here not thinking his tech was right, but knowing his tech, if wrong in ways that mattered, could be rewritten to be good enough. And that's the philosophy they took. It is the same philosophy that leads to crazy things like buying Bun. Just the sheer concept of taking a JavaScript runtime and toolchain like Bun and deciding that you should own this. That comes straight out of the Facebook playbook. That is so meta, it's hilarious. That's the exact same philosophy as rewriting PHP, buying Bun. Like these are the same way of thinking, and it makes all the sense in the world. Claude Code was an experiment. If it failed, none of these tech decisions would have mattered. Now that it has succeeded, it's time to start handling these tech shortcomings. And they are doing it, and they're doing it in really interesting, powerful ways.